Look left, then look right. Always remember to look both ways before you cross the street.
Remember to always use the marked crosswalk and look both ways before you step into the street.
See the zebra stripes. Always walk between the lines until you reach the other side.
Thank you for stopping. It is safe to cross now.